Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SMS and call follow-ups using Salesloft, full guide step by step clearly. To restore SMS and call follow-ups using Salesloft, begin by logging into your Salesloft account. Navigate to the main dashboard, where you have access to various tools and features. Locate the Outreach tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Outreach tab to access your outreach activities. Once in the Outreach section, select the Follow-ups option from the drop-down menu. This will display all your existing follow-ups. Identify the SMS and call follow-ups you wish to restore. Use the search bar if necessary, to quickly find specific follow-ups. Click on the checkbox next to each follow-up you want to restore. Next, look for the Restore button on the right side of the interface. Once you click Restore, a confirmation window will appear. Review the details in the confirmation window. If everything looks accurate, click the Confirm button to proceed. Your selected SMS and call follow-ups will now be restored. You can verify the restoration by navigating back to the follow-ups list. Refresh the page if they do not appear immediately. Once restored, these follow-ups will be available for further engagement. Moving forward, you can edit, resend, or track responses to these follow-ups as needed. This process ensures that no important outreach is lost, allowing you to maintain effective communication with your leads. Congratulations, you've successfully restored SMS and call follow-ups using Salesloft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.